I don't want you to kick anybody out, but I've built
I
built my 36 locations doing that way.
I don't know if we're renewing anything at the moment because the company wants to do renovations with the space.
Well, if you don't renew, look, I'm going to spend $1 million on washers and dryers in a spot like this. So I don't run the store with his old broken equipment, but I'm not going to pay for infrastructure. The gas, water, electric, it's all there. That's what I'm interested in. You know, cards on the table. I don't want to build a laundromat. I don't want to buy a laundromat. And I haven't done that in decades.
What's up, Mr. D?
Let her rip, Randy.
Let her rip.
All right, we're going to Pembroke Pines, sloppy comedy team, busy and sloppy. I think that's
There you go.
one of mine. Millbrook Properties. Thank you for calling Millbrook Properties. 10-4000. Alex Hirsch. Have I talked to this fucking guy?
No, you have left him several messages, and no, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see you most recently called him 2 weeks ago, and you have left repeated messages. Yeah, 11:18, got 12:2, and got nothing back yet.
All right, ridiculous. Same.
Yep.
Are we calling the updated number? 1240.
The 56. Excuse me.
All right, here we go. Stand by.
Going to mute.
Hello?
Yakov.
Right.
Hello?
Yakov, it's Danny, the Laundromat guy. How you doing, buddy?
The Laundromat. Oh, the guy that comes from no idea and asked, wanted to check if I'm kicking my other laundry guy out, right?
I don't want you to kick anybody out, but I've built my 36 locations doing that way. I just went by there. We see more equipment going sideways. I don't know. I want to stay in your ear. When the time comes, make
We're
sure
about
you've
to
got.
do renovation. What? Okay. I don't know if we're renewing anything at the moment because the company wants to do renovations with the space.
Got it. They want to do the outside, do the facade,
Yeah.
make everything nice. Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, if you don't renew, look, I'm going to spend $1 million on washers and dryers in a spot like this. So I don't run the store with his old broken equipment, but I'm not going to pay for infrastructure. The gas, water, electric, it's all there. That's what I'm interested in. You know, cards on the table.
Cards on the table.
I don't want to build a laundromat. I don't want to buy a laundromat. And I haven't done that in decades. I do this. When I walk into the store, it's just sad, man. Go visit the place. You'll see. It's not being operated appropriately. Everything from the paint on the walls to the removed equipment, nobody's even going in there anymore. They don't run the air conditioning in the summer. It's 110 outside, 130 in there.
Me an offer can present to the company, and then we'll talk.
Well, what's your lease rate? What are you on a 15-year term? What are you asking?
What are you asking here?
They're not doing 15. I don't think they're doing 15 a year. I can double check.
Well, if it's a 5 and a 5 and a 5, but I'm not going to spend that kind of money if they're just dipping their toe in the water for a couple years. You know what I mean? That wouldn't make sense for me.
Sure. I need to see, and I need to present an offer. 15 years is a long lease. A lot can change in 15 years.
Absolutely. So what is your starting rate currently?
I think 5 with the option to increase. I think right now is around 35 per square foot.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Goodness.
Yeah. You should probably vanilla the spot, especially if you're, I'm not telling you what to do, but a laundromat, we can't survive at $35 because of our debt service in a good store, right? Not this kind of store where they got this old equipment, they keep selling it.
Can you remind me your name one more time?
Danny D'Angelo, yes, sir.
Danny D'Angelo.
Yep.
Like I said, Beth, I understand everything that you're saying. I'm already aware of. As far as moving forward, the best thing to do would be present an offer,
I'll get you an LOI.
and then I can present it. Okay.
You got it. What's your best email address?
Leasing at Sam.
Oh, come on. I want
can't-
your real email address.
This is my real email.
Are you sure about that?
The one you give your friends. Leasing, what is it?
Like the name, HM, M as in Mary, .com.
All right.
I see how you.
Yakov, I'll fire you off an LOI. Give me about a day. And save my number in your phone, Danny D'Angelo. I'll make sure my number's in there.
No caller, it says no caller ID. I'm not sure why.
What the
how it works.
All right, well, right.
Yeah.
I'll text you my number.
Okay, beautiful.
Be well.
That will work. All right. God bless.
Gazagazins. God bless.
Gazagazins.
I speak Yiddish, by the way. I don't know if you knew that, Randy.
No.
Gazagazins. It's like,
$5 square foot. What the fuck?
yeah, he's crazy. Well, that's not $34 more than what we want to pay. You know, 12 is what we want to pay per year. So they're
Right.
12, 24, 30, you know, they're, but he doesn't give a fuck. Make an offer. Leasing is not his real email address, whatever. Make an offer. Go in there and write out the long form bullshit that he's going through, right? He just decided to answer his phone. What was your name again? Blibbity blobbity blue. And
Right.
do an LOI for the guy. Write it at $12, and we'll see what happens. I'll email it to you.
The LOI, you'll email it to me? Okay, we'll write
Yeah.
it for $12.
Yep. It's all standard. It's all in the LOI. And don't hold your breath.
Okay.
It's written in my email. You know, this is not an LOI is not a lease, but it's a good solid offer, and it's a starting point for us. He doesn't really. Did you hear how he went sideways? Like when I asked, he's like, "Oh, well, it depends. We won't do 15 years." Not straight, but they might want to sell the building. They're putting in a new facade, so sell it with a beautiful laundromat there. Your lease is going
Exactly.
to stand no matter what.
No, I'm with you. Whether they transfer, sell it, whatever. If we get to sign a lease, and I'm with you, and I understand that the reason for the 15 years, turning the equipment over after 7, I'm down with that.
Yeah.
They might not do it. He said, but they haven't dealt with anybody that wants to keep a business up for 15 years. They
Right.
there's no doubt
Go.
in my mind.
All right. Let me send you the LOI. Send it to me. You won't send it to him. I'm going to look it over and we'll fire it off. That's like the 8th one
Sounds
today.
good.
It's going nuts. Thanks, Randy.
Thanks, Andy.
All right. Ciao.
All right.
8 LOIs. This is what happens at the end of the year and the beginning to the new year. Kooky.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.